Hi guys, today I'm unboxing a treat crate for November. I know it's going to be later than what it should be. Today's box is Brazil. First we start off with Tosita. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tosita is one of the most popular brands in Brazil for savory snacks. Their potato chips, in this case balls, are loved by most, and boy do we love filling a bowl with these and sitting down to a movie. These have already been opened. I already know that because I've had a sneak peek. I really do dislike the smell. Absolutely don't like them, but yeah, you can have one. Do you want one? Yeah. And this? Even my dog's turning his nose down. Here. Do you want this? Take it. Yeah. There you go. Take it. A little bag to the Brazilians who watch it, because I know they do. Don't judge me. Yeah. Look. Don't like them. Yeah. Ugh. And that's me, like, with me not being able to taste properly. I still don't like it. Anyway. The next thing we have is Passa Tempo. These vanilla sandwich biscuits, oh yum, with chocolate filling are another nostalgic treat for Brazilians who would rib upon a packet to see what else would occasionally coincide. I want to say it's like the wafer biscuits in here, but I'm not sure. Because there's a lot of, oh no, I'm not going to like what I just found in there. A lot of these, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to, how do I open these? That's just a label. Is there a trick to opening these? I have no idea how to open these. I might need to get my scissors because I can't open it. Oh wait, I did it. Oh yeah. And just from opening that, man, these are like impossible to open. Okay. I don't think these are correct. Oh crap, they're crumbling. They're crumbly biscuits. You can eat the rest that's on the floor. Even though dogs shouldn't eat them, but they're crumbly. I don't know if these are the right ones, but I feel okay. I don't mind them. They're good. I'm actually scared of what's in this box. Okay. Banana in her. bananiha. Guarana drink. Guarana, okay, I've had this before. Well, okay. Antarctica. This drink made from the guarana fruit, or guarana fruit, native to the Amazon jungle, is Brazil's most famous soft drink. The name is inspired by the Guarani tribe, who believe that guarana is a magic cure for the bowels and for gaining strength. Hey, maybe I should drink it then. Honey cake. I would drink the drink in it. But these pau de mel Brazilian honey cakes are full of flavor, sweet and spicy, covered with chocolate. We found them delicious. I have no idea what ones they are, because I know that these are chocolate and I've had them before. They could be the honey cakes, but I doubt it. That doesn't feel like a cake. This is the cake. Ha, found it. It's a little honey cake. And I'm probably just, I always film these when I'm really hungry and I don't know why. So like, I already don't like the feel of this. Oh no, I'm not gonna like that. Oh. It tastes better. I can definitely taste the honey in that. Whoa! That was like pure honey. I don't know what I think. Whoa! Maybe I don't like that. That was really strong. Not was it? Not what I was expecting. I just lost my info. Okay. Sono de valsa. Bibs. Brazil is a large cocoa producer and consumer of chocolate. So you'd expect them to know a thing or two about making chocolate snacks. The brand Bibs lives up to this reputation, making delicious chocolate balls that we just loved. I'm not looking forward to what I just read. Favorite things in the world. These are so good. Highly recommend. Oh my god. I can never open these either, but I did it. Hell yeah. These are so good. They're nutty and they're chocolatey and they're wafery and delicious. Delicioso. Just watch my eyes roll back in my head. Okay. That is good. When you're sick. Not the best taste when you're sick, but it is really hard to swallow stuff when you're sick. Hall's cherry gourmets are a popular fruit jelly roll that both children and adults enjoy in Brazil. They come in an assortment of flavors: orange, lemon, grape, pineapple, and strawberry. Okay, so there's a couple things that have not been mentioned. There's quite a lot actually, so I'm going to start with this because I think this is the thing that was mentioned first. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Oh wait, it's chocolate. It's a chocolate star. Maybe this is what I was talking about. I don't know if I like that. Last couple boxes. Oh wait. I do. It tastes like ginger. That is good. I've tried that. These I have not tried. I'm gonna... How do I open this without spilling them? How do I open this without spilling the contents on my floor? I guess spilling the contents on my floor is just how it's gonna work. Because I can't open it any other way. Okay, I don't like the feel of this already. That's why I chose this one first. Ugh. I really don't like chewy things. I got these. That was easy to open. I'm really scared because if I haven't tried the cherry thing... Okay, these look like jelly beans. They're not jelly beans. They're chocolate. I actually like them. Okay, I found something I like. And these little lollies. And if you're not interested in continuing the video, oh wait, because I'll just be reading random information, you're more than welcome. Do not exist. That tastes way better than that smells. I'm not even kidding. Okay. Considering, I haven't got my taste fully back, I don't know if I like this box or not. I literally don't know. Anyway, fun facts. Brazil. V-A... Oh, okay, you're going to do that to me. Number 1, pira parana soup is considered an aphrodisiac in Brazil. I have no idea what that means. Number 2, Brazilian prisoners can reduce their sentence by 4 days for every book they read and write a report on via the Redemption Through Reading program. That is kind of cool. A nice New Year's Eve tradition in Brazil is the custom of wearing the color that represents your best wish for the new year. white for peace, red for love, or gold for money, and so on. Number 4. Brazil is home to one of the deadliest places on earth, Quimada Grande Island, also known as Snake Island, which has about 45 venomous snakes per 100 meters. Whoa! Brazil is the birthplace of many revolutionary inventions, such as the Walkman, the serum used to treat snake bites. Well, you would, considering. Automatic transmission in cars, tuberculosis screener, rice colander, and many, many others, or more rather. Brazil in numbers. Number 1, most biodiverse country in the world. 4 million plant and animal species. Largest country in South America. World's largest carnival in Rio de Janeiro. 6 million participants. Yeah. World's largest exporter of coffee, soybean, and beef. Wow. Largest Lusophone Portuguese-speaking population in the world. Only country in South America that speaks Portuguese. Largest Japanese community outside of Japan, 1.5 million immigrants. Largest population of Catholics in the world. I can't read that. Most World Cup wins. 5 wins to date. Country with most plant and animal species. World's best beach. Bahia do Sanco. Also to TripAdvisor. Okay, I don't know. World's largest waterfalls. Iguacu National Park. Country with most uncontacted tribes. They have 67 tribes who have never been in contact with modern man. Largest event of money stolen from a bank. Oh gosh. 70 million. Home to largest rainforest in the world. 60% of the Amazon rainforest is located in Brazil. Country of most airports in the world. Hashtag 5 largest country in the world by both land area and population. In largest economy in the world by GDP. Bus of the world. World's coffee comes from Brazil, most, I'm guessing. Brazilian cuisine. Brazilian food is an exuberant, colorful mix of Portuguese, this is actually my teeth, Portuguese, African, and native foods. Today, rice and beans are the 2 most widely consumed foods in Brazil, and coffee is the most widely consumed drink. Other popular ingredients found in Brazilian cuisine include cassava, manioc flour, coconut corn, oca, heart red palm, acai berry, and beef, just to name a few. Feijoada, national dish. Coxinha de galinha, I cannot pronounce any of this. Chicken fritters. Paella de Queijo, cheese bread, picanha, premium cut of barbecued beef, yum, guarana, berry drink, caldo de cana, sugarcane juice. I'm very bad at pronouncing this. Apparently that's all I have, but that was interesting. I hope everyone enjoyed watching my bad reactions, and please like. Oh wait, no, I should not have smacked that hard. Okay, let me just try swallow this, and I open this can while I'm at it. Oh my god, I did not mean to open it like that. Okay, this lolly is not meant to be swallowed. Okay, I did it. This is the can. I've just opened it, so I'm just gonna. Is that what that tasted like? I don't know what it tastes like. I mean, I've had it before. I had the whole candy, like one sitting, and I feel like I'm gonna do that again. I feel like that's the type of drink it is. Like you would just drink it in one sitting. Like a soft drink, I usually don't do that. But if you liked what you see, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you next time.